What up, what up, what up? Kota the Yoda's back. It's a rainy day today. I was just cleaning out the garage and I was gonna go to the yard, organize some of the cars, and I thought to show you guys what I have in inventory. A lot of people ask me about my cars, but most of the cars are for sale. Like, I don't really have a personal one. All the S15s. Like, if you want it, I'll sell it to you. I'll go to my yard and show you guys what I have. So probably, this is the only 2 cars I can call that personal. And I wouldn't sell it. My Drift Missile Seal 80 and my 34. This is 99. This won't be eligible to USA for another 2 years. Same as S15, but I have 2 34s. It will be eligible next year. So does Lino's 34. It is 98, so it will be US eligible next year. Yeah, this is my baby. I will not let go of this Seal 80. I have most fun in this thing. And probably not yet. I won't sell this yet. Lina actually won a 32. If anyone wants to buy her 34 as is, she'll love to sell this and get our 32. Today I'm just packing these parts for a customer. He bought 32 off of me last year and he's just getting some goodies. And he got 32 Ganador, authentic, nothing broken, and old Logo Nismo cigarette kill switch thing. Look, and N1 bumper vents. Oh, also he got OEM rain guards. So he got quite a bit goodies. And here, new Logo Nismo. And I accidentally bought this, thinking it was an old logo. But I don't need this, so anyone wants it, let me know. $250. I can ship it anywhere, most of the world. I just need to pack this up real nice, ship it out to state. Here at the yard. Yesterday I cleaned up this area. I had just piles of tires organized nice and started up all the cars. So here's 99 spec car, 2000 spec S automatic, 98 ER34 with the GTR arrows, OEM GTR bumper, OEM GTR fenders, OEM GTR rear wing, OEM GTR rear bumper. So this is for sale, and this is US eligible next year. Holy, you guys are loud. Cresta, I need to paint this, but if anyone wants it as is, I just have the headlights off to mount a bumper, but I have everything. This is OEM 1JZ. Might as well show you guys. Just bone stock, just have a front mount intercooler and full interior with the Ito Auto 75mm wide fenders. This is Ia and Leah's 4-door 34. It says customers I'm storing, customers 34, customers 34. I sold the Stagia unfortunately. So these are, I'm storing it for them. Oh, this is another ER34, 98, US eligible next year, for sale. And this is newest S15, 99, the earliest model. So S15's 99's earliest, and for 34's, 98's earliest. So next year for these 234 and this S15s, they're in 2024 US eligible. I sold this Spec S, so I'm storing. Oh, here's another S15. This one is hard to let go though. This is Spec R, full original paint. Mostly stock, just have the coilovers and wheels and front mount, and never been drifted. It is like 53,000 miles or so, 80 something thousand kilo. This one is also 99, is for sale. So most of the cars here is for sale. For sale, for sale, for sale, for sale, for sale, for sale, for sale. Any of you guys interested in any of my cars, holler at me at Kota on Instagram, or I can source any cars in Japan, so let me know. And I can also store it. And I haven't mentioned yet, but I have big news, and I'm working on a new property, a new shop actually, and big yard. I'm keeping this still, and I've been owning an actual real shop. Already has a building and has a fat lot, so I can store so many more cars. So if you guys are looking to buy 34 right before, this is the last year. Next year is the first 34 legally eligible in state next year. So this is the last year. I think price go even higher. So it'll be good idea to buy it this year before it become eligible to state, or S15s. Got one more year, about 2 years. All this S15 is gonna be legal in state, so I can store it, and even I can work on it. I'm getting a legit shop, so I'll be able to paint, do most of the work, everything actually. So I can work on your car before I ship it out. I'll be your JDM car plug. So you know these cars price is going up every day, and it's not coming down. So if you're looking to buy, earlier the better, because price is always going up. It's like every day going up. So invest in your dream car. It will be harder and harder to get these cars. I'm trying to buy as much as possible these 34s and S15s. What you see here is everything for sale. I be really lagging on this Cresta, but you know this has a potential. Once it's in one color, this would be like most gangster 4-door ever, feel like, with this fat Meisters. These are 19 by 9 negative 14. This is 19 by 11 negative 14. Still putting some like 8 mil spacer, and like full interior, AC working, fully drift car. But yeah, it's a street car. Has a 2-way diff, and it has turbo 1JZ. And this one's Spec S swapped to Spec R motor and 6-speed. And this hasn't been drifted. It has open diff and no arms whatsoever. No aftermarket arms. Legit just have the coilovers and front mount intercooler. And as you guys saw last episode, I just installed bucket seat and steering wheel. That's the only thing it modified on this S15. So yeah, I have 4 S15 that are earliest model. No, actually 3, and this is 2000, so 1 more year. But this is the cheapest S15 you will get. Spec S Auto, but this has a lot of rare parts. OEM fog lights. These are really expensive, like $800 or so now. OEM rain guard, OEM trunk wing, bone stock though, bone stock, legit bone stock. And this one is spec car and has the arms, coils, but this is high mileage. It's about 150,000, but no issue. True OEM spec car. I was driving this little bit like a few years ago. I installed front mount, ready radiator, new coil packs. Actually, that's it. I thought yard was filling up, but then I'm getting a fat yard that I can fit twice as much. So I am so excited about new shop. Once I get it, I can grow my business even bigger and I can do way more stuff than right now. I'm just working out of my garage, so it's really limited. With the new shop, I can put lift, tire machine, build a paint booth, so much more. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys. Hopefully next video or so. I'm hoping this month I can finish up all the paperwork, get into the shop. I don't know if you guys are as excited as me. I am so stoked. It's one of my dreams to have a real shop and to call it my shop. So yeah, hopefully you guys are as excited as me and I can keep growing my import business and work on all the cars and build all the cool cars. Yeah, so thank you guys for the support and please hit me up on Instagram for all the JDM car inquiry. And if you buy a car through me, of course I can store it. Storage fee is $150 a month, and if you need, I can work on it, fix it, or whatever you want me to do before I ship it out. And especially big parts like wheels, coilovers, arrows. It's hard to ship, as you guys know, internationally for big parts and heavy parts. It's really good idea to get those stuff sorted before car leaves Japan, so it will be 100 when you get it. But let's go back to my garage. I gotta pack up some more those parts.